Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's MOMOMAKEUP here. I picked up the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Liquid Lipstick Nude Edition Volume 2. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. I'm going to try all the lipsticks on for you so you can see what they look like. And I'm going to give you my first impressions. So if you're interested to see me try these out, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. First, I want to start out by giving a huge thank you to all of the people who watched my most recent video, the unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery box. Thank you to all of my new subscribers for joining me. If you are watching this video and you have seen that video, thank you for coming back. I want to spread positivity, and I really am so thankful that all of you tuned in. That was my most successful video to date, so thank you all very much. Okay, so I picked this set up from Beautylish. It's so cute. It says open here for nudes. I love this package. This is volume 2. I did not pick up volume 1, so this is my first time getting one of his mini lipstick sets. When you open it up, they're presented just like this, very beautifully. It's simple yet exciting to look at, if that makes sense to anybody. They sit nicely down in the box. They look very secure. Let's see. Okay, they're secure. They're not coming out. So here they are. There are 8 shades in here. It costs $52, so if you break that down, it's $6.50 a piece. I think it's a great value. I have not tried any of them on, so I do want to see how they look on my lips. So let's try these on so you guys can see what they look like. Just for reference, for anyone who's wondering, I have cool undertones in my skin. Obviously I have blonde hair, so if you have any of those types of characteristics to your skin tone or your hair color, then these will probably look good on you as well, if they look good on me. I probably shouldn't have said that so fast. Hopefully they look good on me. So let's get into the lip swatches. All right, so I wanted to zoom you in so you could see more closely what this looks like. The first one that I'm gonna try on is called I'm Nude. It is described on the website as a light tan nude. This is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Next is the shade Birthday Suit. This is a soft pink warm nude. This is Birthday Suit on the hand. Next is the shade Top Shelf. This is a brand new shade that is exclusive to the mini volume 2 set. I would definitely describe this as like a warm tone chocolatey brown color. So we're gonna see what it looks like on my lips. This is what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. Next is Christmas Cookie, which is a pinky peach beige color. There is what it looks like next to Top Shelf. This is Christmas Cookie. Next is the shade Nathan, and this is a peachy terracotta nude. That's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Next is the shade Dominatrix. This is a dark chocolate brown. Here is Dominatrix next to Nathan. That's Dominatrix there. This shade here is Family Jewels. It is a cool toned medium brown. Here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. The last one is called Tasty. This is another one that is exclusive to the collection, a brand new color. This I would describe as a cool toned chocolate brown. It has more of like a grayish undertone, so we're gonna try this out. So from what I saw online, I definitely thought it had more of like a cool undertone. However, when I put this on the back of my hand, it does look semi-warm. So let's see what this looks like on the lips. Wanted to zoom you guys out so you could hear my final thoughts about this lipstick set. Honestly, is such a good value. I would have to say my favorite shades were probably Christmas Cookie and I'm Nude. I really like the way they all looked on my lips, so I'm happy that I bought this. Right now, I layered Christmas Cookie on the bottom and I put I'm Nude over top of that. I kind of wanted to go for like an ombre look, and I like the way that it turned out. It honestly just kind of, I'm looking in my mirror over here, it honestly kind of just looks like I'm wearing lip liner over a nude lip, so I really like that. Each and every single one, I only had to dunk in one time. They are extremely full coverage, very opaque. They glide on nice and easy, and the thing I like so much about his liquid lips is that the doe foot applicator makes it extremely easy to draw a precise line. You really don't even have to line your lips when you use his liquid lips. So I love that about them. I would highly recommend buying this for yourself or for someone as maybe even a Christmas gift. It's perfect for anyone who loves nude lipsticks. I really, I'm so glad I got this, you guys. You have no idea. So I hope that you enjoyed my video. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Did you pick this up? Do you even like nude lipsticks? What do you guys think about it? And thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.